The discount report will show you whenever a discount has been applied to an order. By default, you will be shown the last 7 days from today, but you can change this date range to any custom range. To change this date range, you have to click anywhere on the date field. Instead of a custom range, you can use one of the quick date ranges on the left side, like yesterday or last 30 days. Here, we're going to do a completely custom date range. In this section, we'll be selecting the start time and date, and here on the right side, the end time and date. In the report, you can see the order ID, type of discount, discount name, time and date of the order, discount amount, discounted product, and overall order amount. Some of your discounts might have a special access level and therefore cannot be just applied by anyone and have to be approved by a manager. In that case, you can see the approver here. You can see the overall discount amount here on the bottom and the total order amount next to it. You can break down the report by type of discount to see only orders with time-based discounts or non-time-based discounts, runtime on-the-fly discounts, town view discounts, coupon code discounts, or customer-based discounts. You can further break this report down by point of sale devices or locations if you have multiple. You can sort the report using the arrows in the header on top. That way, you could, for example, sort the report to have the highest discount amount on top, or group the discounted orders by the discounted product. You can export this report or print it directly from this page. If you have any questions about the discount report, please contact us by phone, chat, or email 24/7. We'll be happy to help you.